In this video, I'm going to show you how to accept friend requests in Epic Games quickly and easily. If you've just added someone, or you're waiting for a request to come through, this tutorial will walk you through the exact steps so you can connect with friends and start playing together without any confusion. And if this video helps, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy gaming tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open the Epic Games launcher on your computer. Once it loads, take a look at the top right corner of the window. You'll see the Friends icon, and it usually looks like two silhouettes of people. Click that icon to open your social menu. After the Friends panel opens, look for the notification bell icon, or check for the pending tab at the top of the social overlay menu. This is where Epic Games keeps incoming friend requests, so if someone has sent you an invite, this is the place to find it. Now, scroll through the list until you locate the name of the player who sent you the request. If you have multiple pending requests, make sure you choose the correct person before accepting anything. Once you find the right name, click the Accept button next to it. Depending on your version of the launcher, this may appear as a green check mark or as the word Accept. After you click it, the friend request will be approved and that player will be added to your Epic Games friends list. That's all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you've accepted a friend request in Epic Games and you're ready to start playing, chatting, and teaming up with your friends. If this tutorial was useful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful step-by-step guides like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.